So this question leads to Lisa. Lisa, what are the lifestyle changes that need to be addressed to prevent and combat chronic disease?
Yes, thank you so much for asking the question. This is really important because I think when most of us are trying to get healthy, we do the two things we know, which is diet and exercise, right? And those are the low-hanging fruits, and you absolutely should, right? So let's knock those out of the way. A whole food plant-based diet, no doubt about it, will excel your ability to combat chronic lifestyle disease or prevent them. We should be doing high-intensity interval training. I too, Brandy, started as a personal trainer, right? So it's so important. Movement is so important. Let's not underestimate the movement. However, health does not begin and end in the kitchen and the gym. It is essential that we do 3 additional things. I'm gonna be on my 3s tonight. So y'all ready for the first 3? Okay, so my note takers, tap your neighbor. So the first one is sleep hygiene. We have to get high quality sleep. It's not just getting to sleep, but it's staying to sleep. Okay, front row behavior. It's not just staying asleep, but it's making sure you are sleeping well, going into all those stages of sleep. A lot of magic happens metabolically when we sleep. The second thing that we absolutely must prioritize, lean in, Black women, we have to eliminate chronic stress. I did not say manage it. I said eliminate it, okay? Self-care, vacations, meditation, journaling, that's all management. We have to do the harder work of creating an exit strategy, okay? Acute stress, normal, life is going to life. Chronic stress kills us slowly. It's not an option. So we have to eliminate chronic stress because those elevated levels of cortisol and adrenaline are gonna compromise the body. The final thing that we absolutely must focus on when it comes to health outside of diet and exercise is purpose. In Japan, it's called ikigai. It means a reason for being. If you are not optimizing your gifts and your talents and having fulfillment in your life and leaving the world a better place than what you found it, that too will kill you slowly. Purpose heals. So find the thing that God has called you to do and lean into it.